Welcome to Beautyistic, where we don't just review products. We break them down to the very core so you can make the best choice for your skin. If you're tired of dealing with skin that feels dull or unbalanced, you're in the right place. Today, we're taking a close look at the BYOMA So Bright Set, which promises to boost your skin's radiance while strengthening your skin barrier. Stick around to see how well this 3-step routine holds up. And if you're into skincare that works, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on honest reviews like this. The BYOMA So Bright Set is a 3-step skincare routine that includes a creamy jelly cleanser, brightening face serum, and ceramide face moisturizer. Each product is designed to work together to brighten, balance, and repair the skin barrier. The set is alcohol-free, fragrance-free, and vegan, making it a gentle option for all skin types. And with its focus on skin barrier repair, BYOMA is clearly aiming to deliver long-term benefits. The creamy jelly cleanser has a lightweight, gel-like texture that transforms into a soft lather when it comes into contact with water. It's not harsh on the skin, yet it cleanses deeply enough to remove dirt, oil, and makeup. The formula includes gentle surfactants and a hint of hydration, which is perfect for anyone looking for a soap-free cleanser that won't strip their skin. Moving on to the Brightening Face Serum. This serum is formulated with a potent combination of ingredients designed to reduce hyperpigmentation and even out your skin tone. The key actives include vitamin C and niacinamide, which are well known for their brightening and skin-repairing properties. The serum has a silky smooth texture and absorbs quickly, leaving no sticky residue behind. After using it for a few days, I noticed my skin felt brighter and more even, but the real test will be how well it performs over time, particularly for those dealing with more stubborn discoloration. Now, let's talk about the Ceramide Face Moisturizer. This moisturizer is all about supporting the skin barrier with its triceramide complex, a combination of ceramides that help restore moisture levels and protect the skin from environmental stressors. It has a rich, creamy texture that feels luxurious without being greasy. It's perfect for giving your skin the moisture boost it needs, especially if you have dry or dehydrated skin. Plus, it leaves the skin feeling plump and soft, which I'm sure a lot of you will appreciate. In terms of real-world usage, this set has been easy to incorporate into my daily skincare routine. I've used the cleanser both in the morning and at night, and it's a nice, refreshing start to the day. The serum feels lightweight but effective, and the moisturizer provides long-lasting hydration without feeling heavy. One of the things I appreciate most is that each step in the routine is gentle, making it suitable for sensitive skin types. That said, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. While the serum is promising for brightening, if you're someone with more intense hyperpigmentation or melasma, you may need something with a higher concentration of actives. The moisturizer, though rich, might not be hydrating enough for those with very dry skin, especially in colder months. Let's talk about the price. The BYOMA So Bright Set is priced reasonably considering the ingredients and the fact that it's a complete 3-step routine. It's a solid value for those looking to focus on both barrier repair and brightening in one go. However, if you're on a tighter budget, there are other options that provide similar benefits. For instance, The Ordinary offers affordable products that also feature niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, and ceramides, though you'd have to buy them individually. These products might not give you the same experience as a curated 3-step set, but they can still get the job done for a fraction of the price. Now, when it comes to build quality, BYOMA's packaging is sleek and functional. The bottles are sturdy, and the pump dispensers are easy to use, ensuring you don't waste product. The set feels premium, and you can tell that thought went into both the formula and the design. In terms of longevity, since each product is concentrated, you don't need a lot to see results. I expect this set to last a few weeks, making it a good investment for those wanting long-term improvements to their skin's texture and appearance. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Regarding customer support, I've had no direct interactions with BYOMA, but the brand is known for being responsive to inquiries. They seem committed to customer satisfaction, which is always a good sign when purchasing skincare. Now, let's talk alternatives. If you're looking for a budget-friendly alternative to the BYOMA So Bright Set, you could try the Ceramide Brightening Set. It includes a similar combination of barrier-repairing ingredients and brightening actives like vitamin C. However, CeraVe is a bit more focused on basic hydration rather than targeted brightening, so keep that in mind if radiance is your main concern. Final verdict. The BYOMA So Bright Set offers a well-rounded approach to brightening and barrier repair, making it an excellent option for those with sensitive or dull skin, looking to improve both tone and texture. While it might not be the most hydrating for very dry skin, it delivers a lot of value for the price, especially for those who need a skin-friendly routine that's gentle yet effective. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.